Hello children, welcome back, and today we are going to do yet another word problem on fractions. Let us start. Now children, here before starting this sum, I would like you to teach a concept which is very necessary to solve sums where there are two fractions involved in the question. Now suppose children, there is a whole circle. Let us assume this to be pizza, and this is divided into three pieces. One is for you, one is for your mom, and one is for your dad. Okay, so each part of this fraction represents 1 by 3. What happens when you add this 3? 1 by 3 plus by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. When you add these three fractions, your answer is 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So what do we understand from this? That a complete circle always denotes 1. That means when you add the fractions inside a circle, it should come to 1. Okay, keeping this in mind, we will do this following sum. 1800 people visited a book fair. 7 by 18 of them were men and 11 by 24 of them were ladies. The remaining were children. What fraction of them is children and how many children were present? So first, let us write down the information which we have. So we have been given an information saying that this is your rough column children. 7 by 18 is men. Okay. 11 by 24 is ladies. Okay. And the remaining are children. So we don't know the fraction of children, and that is why they have asked what fraction are children. So now with the pizza example, you will be able to tell that when I add these three numbers, I should get 1, right? So keeping that in mind, let me draw this column. Okay, this is your rough column children. So I will write here fractions and here the number. Okay, so this is men, this is ladies, and this is children, and this is the total. This is only for your understanding children. If you do this in rough column and do 2-3 sums like this, from 4th or 5th sum you may not need this. Okay. So I am writing here 7 by 18 fraction is children and 11 by 24 fraction is ladies. I don't know children, so I am writing it as x, but I know the total of fraction is always 1, and I also know that the total people, that means the number of people is 1800, so that is total, so I will put it here. Okay, so now they have asked how many children were present, so they have asked this also. Okay, so first step is to find the fraction of children. So let us add 7 by 18 fraction of men plus fraction of ladies plus fraction of children will give you 1. So if you take the LCM of 18 and 24 children, you will get 72. Okay, and we know that 18 4s is 72. So 7 4s is 28. And 24 3s is 72. So 11 3s is 33 plus x equal to 1. So when I add this, I will get 61 by 72 plus x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 minus, when plus 61 goes this side, it becomes minus. So x is equal to 72, because the LCM of both this is 72. 72 minus 61. So x is equal to 11 by 72, and we have got fraction of children. Okay children. So in this way, adding the fraction of men and ladies and subtracting it from the whole number 1, you will get fraction of children. So I have got this children. So now I will remove this x and I have got the answer 11 by 72. So this is my answer. So what about the next question? How many children were present? So we know 11 by 72 of the total people are present. So if I write 11 by 72 of total is the number of children present. 11 by 72, if I use instead of multiplication, and the total number of people is 1800, and if I cancellation, 9 8s are 72, 9 2s are 18, 0, 4 2s are 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 1s are 2 25s are. So 11 5s are 55, 11 2s are 22 plus 7. 5 is 275. So the number of children present in the fair is 275. If you redo this problem in your notebook, then you will feel that how important it is to draw the pie diagram and this column in your rough side, and so this answer will be correct. We will be doing 2 more sums based on these sums, so that when you solve all these 3, this sum will become very easy. Bye.